Today we are going to talk about Pi 4 reasoning model, an AI model connected to the ecosystem of Microsoft. What makes this model interesting is its focus on reasoning. Instead of simply generating quick answer, reasoning model try to work through problems step by step. The only problem is that it's too slow by doing that. Means they analyze context, break down complex questions, and build a logical path towards a solution. The Pi model originally comes from the AI company Inflection AI, which developed conversational AI system designed to be more thoughtful and structured in the way they respond. As the technology evolved, the focus shifted towards stronger reasoning and capabilities and deeper analytical performances. With Pi 4, the goal is to create an AI system that doesn't just sound smart, but actually thinks through tasks more carefully. This is especially important for things like coding, complex analytics, problem solving, and situations where accuracy matters more than speed. And if I may add, where accuracy means a lot more than speed. In simple terms, reasoning model like Pi 4 represent a next step in AI development, moving from fast text generation towards systems that can analyze, reason, and solve problems more like human would. Now, in order to show you exactly what I have in mind, I'm going to test it now. Let's load it. And now I'm going to write few riddles in order to see how it performs. So, a man lives on 10th floor of a building. Every day he takes the elevator down to the ground floor to go to work. When he comes back, he takes the elevator to the 7th floor and walks the rest of the way up the stairs to the 10th floor. Why does he do this? In this way we are going to test this model, how it performs with hidden context. Let's write. And after 10 minutes of work, this is our answer. The reason is that he is too short to reach the buttons or floors higher than 7. Smart one. I'm going to start new chat with the same model. You are in the room with 3 light switches. Each switch controls one of 3 light bulbs. In another room, you can turn the switch on and off as much as you want, but you can only enter a bulb room once. How can you determine which switch controls which bulb? Let's see how it's going to perform now. Alright, now has been much faster, only 2.5 minutes. Obviously this riddle is much easier than previous one. And let's see what is the answer. Turn on switch A and leave it for about 10 minutes. This will heat up corresponding bulb. Yeah, absolutely, it's smart enough. After 10 minutes, turn off switch A, immediately turn on switch B. Leave switch C off. Now go into the room. Yes, absolutely yes. So one that worked for 10 minutes, it's hot. So in that way you are going to determine first one. Second one is going to be on and third one is going to be off. Yeah, let's try another one. One more. Now let's see how it performs with multi-stepping reasoning. A farmer needs to cross a river with a wolf, goat and cabbage. The boat can only carry the farmer and one of items. If the wolf is left alone with the goat, the wolf will eat the goat. If the goat is left alone with the cabbage, the goat will eat the cabbage. How can the farmer get everything across safely? Now we have the worse situation than in first case. It took more than 40 minutes in order to solve this one. Let's see the solution. The farmer takes the goat across. Left bank, wolf and cabbage. Right bank, goat. The farmer returns to the original bank. Left bank, farmer, wolf, cabbage. Right bank, goat. The farmer takes the wolf across. Left bank, cabbage. Right bank, farmer, wolf and goat. To avoid leaving goat with the wolf, the farmer brings the goat back. Left bank, farmer, goat, cabbage. Right bank, wolf. Now the farmer takes the cabbage across. Left bank, goat. Right bank, farmer, wolf, cabbage. The farmer returns alone to the goat. Left bank, farmer, goat. And you understand the rest. So guys, apart of this process being too slow, actually it works quite well. So what are my final words about this model? Thumbs up. So, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe and see ya!